Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to 1000 Plus Quiz. Is your knowledge of the universe truly out of this world? Fasten your seatbelts because we're launching into an epic cosmic journey through 60 mind-bending questions. But beware, the clock is ticking. You only have a lightning-fast 8 seconds to lock in the correct answer for each challenge. Think you have what it takes to conquer the cosmos? Let's blast off! First round. The actual inventor of the first telescope is... Wow, what a surprise! The true inventor is actually Hans Lippershey. Brain freeze time. The percentage of the solar system's mass taken up by the sun is... A massive 99.8% belongs to our sun. Bonus round time. Let's see which planet you're moving to. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Where did you end up? Comment your planet down below. Keep that streak alive. Which planet shines the brightest at night? Venus takes the spotlight as the brightest. Do you know how weird Venus's orbit is? Believe it or not, a day lasts longer than a year there. Make a wish! A shooting star is actually just... It's just burning space debris zooming by. Next up, can you name the most famous constellation to find the North? Look for Ursa Major to find your way. Here's a crazy one. The way the moon is moving relative to Earth is... Our moon is slowly drifting 3.8 centimeters away annually. It's time to test your space knowledge. Can you help these planets find their right spots? Awesome! It fits right into our solar system. Moving right along, our sun belongs to this specific type of star. We are orbiting a classic yellow dwarf star. Let's find out. What do we call the sun's outer atmosphere? That glowing outer layer goes by the name corona. Astronauts pinpoint the planet closest to the sun, but not the hottest. Mercury sits closest, yet isn't the most scorching. Fast fact, the very first artificial object in orbit was... History was made by the launch of Sputnik 1. Hold on to your helmets. Can you guess the first living creature in orbit? Man's best friend, a dog named Laika, courageously led the way. Keep your eyes peeled. How many red crewmates can you spot? Count fast. Time's up! There are exactly 6 red crewmates. Did you find them all? Next space mission. The first human ever to go to space was... Stepping up first was the legendary Yuri Gagarin. Tell me, how exactly do rockets escape Earth's gravity? Thrust. Rockets shoot exhaust backward and push themselves forward. Mission Control needs to know the exact reason why rockets have multiple stages. Dropping empty weight is the main reason for those stages. How was some of the earliest space food packaged? Believe it or not, in toothpaste-like tubes, dinner looked suspiciously like dental care. When do NASA astronauts wear those bright orange pressure suits? During launch and re-entry, orange is a lot easier to spot in an emergency. A book, a toothbrush, and a toy robot are hiding somewhere in this spaceship. Boom! There they are. Nothing gets past you. Leveling up. On a space station, human height actually changes by... You can expect to grow up to 5 centimeters up there. What does outer space smell like? Sniffing around gives you a peculiar whiff of seared steak. Look up! The human organ that shrinks in microgravity is... Surprisingly, your heart gets a bit smaller in microgravity. Next round, name the first manned landing to reach the moon. Paving the lunar path was the crew of Apollo 11. Bet you didn't know this. Compared to Earth, the moon's gravity is exactly... You would only feel 1/6 of the pull. Ready to level up? This is a hard one. Can you spot Earth hidden in the stars? There it is! Great job! Let's keep flying. Which was the first probe to land on Venus? The harsh surface welcomed the Venera probe first. Check this out. The planet where rovers are currently driving around is... Right now, those robotic explorers roam across Mars. Houston, we have a question. What color is the Martian daytime sky? Expect a striking yellow-orange hue above you. Here we go. The way astronauts wash their hair in space is by keeping clean requires some handy no-rinse shampoo. How do space toilets actually flush? Without gravity, vacuum suction does the dirty work. Would you rather live on this planet or skip it forever? Welcome to the wildest planet, Pandora. The tallest volcano in our entire solar system is located on the colossal peak resides over on the Martian surface. Tell me, why is the moon incredibly dangerous for machinery? Watch out for dust sharp as broken glass ruining the gears. Scan the radar. Identify the absolute largest planet in the solar system. Nothing beats Jupiter in sheer size. Where is most of Mars's remaining water today? Frozen in ice caps or trapped underground, Mars still has plenty of ice hiding away. Mind-blowing fact, the planet showing off the most brilliant rings is the crown for the best cosmic jewelry goes to Saturn. Think fast. Will you beat the clock, or will the clock beat you? Boom! Did you survive this round? Another galaxy, another challenge. If Saturn were put in a giant pool of water, it would grab a giant pool, and this gas giant will literally float. What exactly is Jupiter's Great Red Spot? Swirling violently, it's actually a massive, relentless storm. Grab your telescope. The time it takes for the ISS to orbit Earth once is a quick 90 minutes is all it takes for one lap. Which waste sources can be recycled into drinking water on the ISS? Urine and cabin moisture are both recycled. Yep, maybe don't think about it while drinking. How in the world do astronauts sleep up there? Drifting away is prevented by sleeping bags tied securely to walls. Eyes on the screen, memorize where these emojis are hiding. Quick, which spots had the 3 matching ones? Boom! Positions 3, 7, and 12. Did you get it right? You're doing great! Saturn's giant rings are actually made mostly out of countless billions of water ice chunks make up that beautiful halo. What strange kind of rain may form deep inside Uranus and Neptune? Diamond rain! Experiments suggest those extreme conditions can form diamonds. Captain, why can no one hear you scream in space? Complete silence happens because there's no air to carry sound. Ready? The most powerful space telescope ever built is known as Gazing further than ever is the magnificent James Webb. What shape are the mirrors on the James Webb telescope? A perfect hexagon forms those iconic golden panels. Time to decode this puzzle. What secret word is hiding here? You got it! It spells telescope. Our journey continues. A light year is actually a measurement of measuring vast distance is its true astronomical purpose. What best describes a black hole? A region where gravity is so extreme that beyond the event horizon, even light can't escape. What do we call the process of being stretched in a black hole? Getting pulled into noodle shapes is creatively called spaghettification. All right, any planet located outside our solar system is called beyond our neighborhood lies an entirely new exoplanet. Can your brain handle this? The official name of our home galaxy is we call our spiraling cosmic home the Milky Way. Shadow Showdown! Can you connect every emoji to its matching shadow before time's up? Nailed it! Check out those beautiful matches. Looking deep into space actually means looking into what? Staring deep into the void is literally viewing the past. Have you ever wondered? The current state of the universe is best described as everything keeps moving faster in an accelerating expansion. Strap in! Humanity's very next manned destination in space is next on our bucket list is the red world of Mars. That's a wrap on our space adventure. Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes. See you in the next adventure.